Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I'd like to share with you the recipe of pepper with cheese in the oven, which will be the star of your breakfast tables. In order to be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. First of all, let's wash 7-8 red capia peppers, which is about a kilogram, and dry them well. Then, let's take 2 tablespoons of oil into a bowl and grease our peppers with a brush. We are putting them on the tray that is covered with greased paper. Then, let's roast them by turning on both sides for about 20 minutes in the preheated oven at 250 degrees. Let's take our roasted peppers in a bowl. We are going to close the lid and wait like this for about 10-15 minutes. They will peel off much easier when we keep it this way. After peeling the peppers, let's open the middle part as you can see in the video and clean the seed parts inside. Let's clean the pepper carefully without distorting its shape. Then I'm placing them on a tray with greased paper. Let's prepare all our peppers in the same way. For the filling, I take a bowl of grated feta cheese, a few sprigs of fresh onions, 1 bowl of grated cheddar cheese in a separate bowl. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of black cumin, and a very small amount of black pepper, and mix well. Let's fill the filling that we have prepared in the middle part of our peppers. If you want, you can share the filling equally, as I did, and then adjust it later. Then, let's cook it for about 15 minutes until the cheeses are melted and lightly browned in 180 degrees heated oven. It is both very practical and very tasty. We can serve our cheesy peppers hot. I hope you will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. In order to be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.